I had requirement for two of my room where I was replacing my old doors, and then I contacted Fenesta, and because I found this while googling and internet searching, this is one of the best brand in India, and they have good reputation and services. So I had also touch base with them and try to check their services. So I contacted Mr. Sumit and Baldevi, and then they have approached to me and taken all the measurement for both of my rooms. And I'm surprised that the kind of services which I received eventually, like the measurement that they have taken was accurate, and the installation piece and the quality of the material. So today I feel like yes, the services are very good, and the window quality, and I had two sliding door window for two of my rooms, so both were actually excellent. And it's a 3 channels door, so I found it's very good product, and I'm very happy with the installation process, the timeline, and services also. And they were kind, polite, and they listened to me what I was asking during the installation, and fantastic job done by them. Thank you, Fenesta. Well done.